Hey guys, it's Rhonda here, and we're coming at you with the fourth video from the Dallas RV Super Sale show. And in this one, we're going to look at a Montana, a Redwood, and a Beacon. So come with us and check them out.
Redwood. Oh wow.
Oh my goodness. Okay. All right, you want to start up top?
Yeah, so we'll start up top. This is a front kitchen
with the most counter space I've seen in a fifth wheel, I think. Look at this. You could prep all your dinner here so easily and still have tons of space. I don't know what I'd do with that much.
Check out that massive refrigerator.
And look at this nice, large convection microwave.
Well, and it's the microwave placement is ideal because you don't have to reach up or nothing.
Short people like me, you know.
How big's that oven?
About like the one we have in our little trailer.
Okay.
But you get lots of storage. Like this whole thing is full of storage.
Yeah, you get a whole room of kitchen.
Oh, and they got the pull-out little shelf slides. Let's see. Wow, that was pretty deep. That's really cool. And then you got regular drawers here.
Cabinet
and
with
more of these
slide-out drawers here.
That makes it so much easier for lower cabinets because you never can get everything that's in the bedroom back.
Tons and tons of storage for sure.
Yeah, there's more over here under the seat.
We got outlets here, and there, and here.
And I like this. Right here in the thick of it where you're cooking, you put your spices here.
Mm-hmm.
You know, have the ones you use the most right here. That's perfect.
Huge farm sink, and then you've got a power.
And right here, waste basket.
Big one too.
Yeah, I love that. That's the worst part for us. Is we don't really know where to go.
All right, so coming down into the living room, you have a nice ceiling fan, and you have 7 windows in this area. So you've got 3 in the dining room slide.
And this is one of those pull-out tables you can make it for 4 or leave it for 2.
Nice TV, soundbar, and fireplace.
Pull-out couch right here.
Pull-out couch, and
recliners
then
right here, right across from TV. That's important.
Absolutely. And you've got your in-command station here. And now
we got this giant closet here for your jackets and anything else you need to store. You got your buttons over here for all your holding tanks and, good lord, power control system. It's king size. Alright, and we've got a closet here. And a closet here. Oh, there's some pillows in there. And then you've got all these drawers. That's a ton. Well, we just going back. And I'm assuming this louver door
for your washer and dryer.
Wash and dry a prep.
Now,
oh, this is a nice sized bathroom. Got a big shower, dual sinks.
Nice big closet.
Oh, hanging closet, yeah.
Dual sinks, plenty of storage.
The other one, both of them are like that. You get plenty of storage down there. My thoughts in something like this, where do you put your wastebasket? You'd have to get a shrinky-dink one and put it down here. Or you could put a decent sized wastebasket in there if you didn't need the extra storage.
Out of sight, out of mind. You got your hook right there.
Hook. Yeah, that's good.
So you have all this huge storage on this side. Full fiberglass cap on the rear.
this way?
Yeah. So I think we got the high-end stuff covered.
Yeah, well, these are great. And we don't have to do long dinners for these. We can get some coffee.
No, just highlight stuff.
Yeah, we don't
Oh,
have
it's
to.
got the water manifold in here. It's got a
Plenty of house.
separate radio station for the outside speakers right here.
Oh, very cool. Well, these are the ones you can hang stuff
For your
on.
hydraulics. Yeah, this is a tool hook. So I would. Look at how far it hangs, this overhang is.
Yeah, we'd have to have, like...
Long bed. Alright guys, so we're looking at a Montana High Country fifth wheel. It's got a pretty unique layout. This is a 377 front living. Got a nice big living area. So this is the recliners fully extended. Then you've got your TV up on a televator, a nice fireplace below it, and your Whisper quiet air conditioner. A nice little breakfast bar area here, plenty of counter spots. Got a booth, residential refrigerator. Plenty of cabinet space. All of your controls right there. Nice little kitchen area. Double basin sink. Big microwave. 3-burner stove oven combo. So this is the unique part. It has another door right here on the other side. There's your bathroom. Really big loft area. Master is in the rear. Prepped for a washer and dryer. Another rear kitchen. Look at the lux. I like that.
It smells good.
So in the kitchen,
You've got your side
wine
table.
bar. It's a wine bar.
Your sideboard. That's what it is. You've got your wine fridge.
Nice residential cabinet drawers.
Oh, the lighted pantry. Isn't that great? With this beehive looking glass. I like it.
That's it.
This is
Well,
yeah, this is residential.
Let's see that.
Residential edge.
Actually, said
Yeah, this is very similar. Yeah.
I'm not really the leather.
We'll get there eventually.
Yeah.
Yep, one more. On the big scale, thank you.
Let's see how big this actually is. That's decent size.
It's huge.
Yeah. Well, it's convection too. So. Look at all this. Oh, is this all one big cabinet? Yeah. Okay. Kind of like ours. Oh. Got a dishwasher integrated in.
Hidden dishwasher.
Hidden, yeah, it's all integrated, so it's like it blends. And this, once again, goes all the way back.
Nice.
That's really nice. That gives you tons of storage for kitchen
Yeah,
stuff.
there's
or not
no
kitchen
wasted
stuff.
space.
And you can pass it through this way too.
Lots of counter space.
Love, again, the residential oven. Or the bigger oven. Oh, these are nice.
Mm-hmm.
Flip out thing here. For all your plug-ins and whatnot. It's got the soft close on there. Thank God, because if I had that, I'd drop it. Good amount of storage above here.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, you would get rid of that.
Well, and there's storage that you'll never see.
Oh, yeah. Alright, that's all. That would be like Duncan's storage. He could put his stuff up there. Oh, you got a real door down here.
Half bath?
Half that. Alright, and it's not teensy-tiny.
Mm-mm.
Got a good sized sink. Medicine cabinet. Plenty of storage, even a thing down there for your trash can.
But it has a window up top.
Oh.
Check out how they finished the vent too.
Okay.
And you got cabinets by the door.
Alright.
No handrail. But check this out.
Bed.
You have a fireplace.
Okay, so you don't need your heater. Why do they put flip ups so low? That's awkward. I'd rather them have like doors swing out or something. These are kind of
Probably has something to do with the slides coming together.
These are kind of soft close now. Alright, for the bathroom. Decent sized shower. And a nice little toilet. Yeah, it is porcelain. Alright. Some drawers and cabinetry. Let's see. Yeah, you can put a tiny wastebasket in there. And then you've got this gigantic medicine cabinet for all the toiletries. Like all of them. Got a nice mirror, which is great. And then a big old walk-in closet that I'm assuming,
Prep for washer
You
dryer
could-
right there.
yeah, behind the panel.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, because it doesn't help with that. This is nice though. If you don't need a washer and dryer, you got
Tons.
storage.
You can put
You
our
got
bikes in there.
See, now you're thinking good.
And the little things like this, I love because you put your towel up.
Little touches.
Mm-hmm.
Towels, or if you happen to come in here and you're wearing a hat and you just want to take it off and throw it on top.
Integrated lock.
Oh, that's nice.
I mean, for the price, $135,000 compared to some of the other ones. I like. Oh, I didn't even see the ceiling fan.
Oh, and I like the lights around it. That's probably an actual strip light. Those are the reflecting on the ceiling.
Oh yeah, and there's surround sound speakers
Look
in
at
the
how many
ceiling.
lights are in here. It's got the tiny top lights
Mm-hmm.
and the bigger ones.
Oh, look at this storage.
Talk about bike storage.